Okay, so we can have another look at the 2008 Falcon wagon BF3.
Just going to try to hear the sound of the car, so I better shut up.
We've got the droning noise. Here's a left-hand corner. Yeah, that's a bridge that they changed. Anyway, so I'm driving along. Let's try a right-hand corner. I couldn't really... I thought it was a Diff noise. Hard to really tell if there's any noise at all from this recording.
I feel like a bit of an idiot wearing a helmet.
So, anyway, I go home. I'm going to have a look at the front wheel bearings. I stupidly jacked it up in the middle, so I'm pushing against the whole steering. But what's really noticeable is when I look at the passenger side. So this is the driver's side. A fair bit of neighbourhood noise at the time. I was pushing. I was, maybe I've got suspension issues as well. It might be separate.
Seems to have more movement. Feel like
as soon as I looked at that
yeah.
one. Yeah, that's the one. Anyway, so there's a lot of noise when it's spinning. And that movement, I mean, I can't rule out whether or not I've got upper or lower ball joints. I didn't even look at them, but the comparison is with the other wheel, with the driver's side wheel. And so anyway, I'm going to get a bearing for the passenger side wheel. I guess the passenger side goes because it has to deal with all these, crap on the side of the road. Thanks for watching, and hopefully get to the bottom of this one soon.